Alright, today I'm going to install some new signal lights in the front of my Toyota Sienna. This is what they look like. They're LEDs. It's pretty nice looking. From what I've seen, they're pretty bright too. Use less power than the original stock bulbs. So, yep, you should just snap right into the existing factory plug and light up, so let's check them out. Alright, that's the original bulb there. And there's the other one. So yeah, we'll pop the new one in and see what it looks like. Okay. Yep, there's the old one. And there's the new one. Alright, one's in. Alright. Here's the other. Just like that. And that's it. We'll test them out. Oh yeah, those are different. And there's the other side. Nice. And there they are as a hazard light. Not bad. Definitely brighter than what I had before, even though it is daylight out. Might check them out at night, see how they look. Yeah, there you go. What they look like at night. Just using the hazards because it's probably good enough. So yeah, it's another product review of some front turn signal lights for my 2007 Toyota Sienna. Till the next thrilling video, adios.